Hello, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, we want to pay at view. View in Laravel, relation between route and view. Okay, in first step, I use view and we can access in home page. View a Laravel, and we use welcome view in resource and view and welcome, and we use Udemy view for sending data out for Udemy, and we can see send the data with Laravel 4. Okay, I clear other code and clear all. Okay, I type route and get and Udemy and function. Okay, and close. Okay, in return view Udemy. Okay, Udemy we can access with this return view Udemy, access the udemy.blade.php. okay, in Udemy or we can change Udemy name, Udemy Laravel, for a new file, create new file, Udemy Laravel .blade .php. In next lecture we can say what is the blade and HTML. okay, and type Udemy Laravel. okay, and type web Udemy Laravel. okay, Udemy Laravel open and empty page. If inspect, we see HTML4 and HTML page. okay, we can pass the argument of in this route to view without controller, and we can use this. For example, dollar name Tawhid, and for pass the name in view we can use and semicolon and typed name dollar name, and use name in view. And in PHP I use PHP we can use PHP open and close, and we can use dollar name. And if refresh this page, okay, I use inspect in body and I can see any. Okay, I check this dollar name and Udemy Laravel. Okay, view Udemy Laravel and use h2 and use these. Okay, refresh, inspect. h2 is work, but dollar name is not work. Why not work? Because in PHP I use dollar name and we can use echo dollar name. Refresh, I see Toid. And in Laravel and Blade I use just dollar name. Refresh, see $PHP echo dollar name. I use just dollar name.